say Yanshasi and Tem. Nanina yodo strong quiet. Eddie Mamo said this week me birthday weekend. I say my hyper kakra. Eniji na muna ya wano ane na man of the house. You say man of the house. Yanka woman of the house. So inti yemaya deni the helpers of the house and azeding. Man of the house. Say yakase man of the house. Obema wo fi bememu. You say oba tutua etwere bema bo. Ebi mu se woni dem, ebi mu se woni fie. Ti enen ye beti ase. Na ye man of the house wan say nyame nkwa na metimi atena edi asemi ho abobo. But before mema mo hu me papa no ma me ni omo betwetwe enkomo anadwi no. Ma minna abuafo a wo so ya sene sabo ye chidom e ma yetumi de yamon komodwumede bro o fel so strong koso ase alomo beaters was say a natural herbal alcoholic product ya to yombo na yaje was a African tropical plant extract just say enimode say ban medicinal values there mudimo akotini alomo de ni roots no traditional herbal industry and just the only bitters are meticulously researched by the Center for Research into Plant Medicine. Sounds soon as scientifically no, you're evaluating for the functionality, the safety and the quality. Ebusia was say choose right. None the authentic African herbal bitters for the right results. Alomo bitters are now say authentically African. Na me kaimu say e ma fe fro sanso na mofra endi field watchi and amba ema wo manufo no most afro no monka ho me se edrusa na manu munsio na motie ye monko mo wate ase ane EcoBank Joint News Habitat Febusia wiase de ho a wo ha dan kakra edu bebi ano ayeden shine o se ya adwene ekoto dan wo sa nti ye no musa no Habitat Fair aba mayen you say affordable housing what you say we EcoBank Joint News we join news for ne EcoBank for na day wo monto ma bom enom de Habitat Fair no ayeden bremo Habitat Fair say everything house nti bibia ye dan ho niam bi opese o hwe inquiries ni ade a Mr. we a 12th edition of the EcoBank Joint News Habitat Fair yes Mimini the year 18th of September to 19th of September, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Into me following all your social media platform with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. No one say udbo hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. Be about Habitat Fair no able pop up. Me so free 054 908 179 and 054 011 0389. Ani na EcoBank and I join you send me kan na dey ntoma boom na ye dey abro munti dwumeko edi ho chia me pa EcoBank was the Pan African Bank now almost ya sene the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat was a rent to own na almost a sponsor elegant homes and general construction where quality meets value. Duraplast almost say where Duraplast goes water flows. DBS Industries was say we truly are your roof expert. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Annie inti pacho nyiwu hu film the chat to cry againess. Annie was say black is not dark, black is bright, black is bold, black is gold. Say me am here black there shine your color there though. Black is everything. Black a thing, your thing, my thing. Ya mix it into explode with power, creativity and potential. Black is not being out of the spotlight. Oh, you're black and I say oh shine. What I say? Black a pure, dazzling concentration. Our spotlight a beam it together. Black a rich, black air unconventional, cheers to optimistic trailblazers, any or more confidence on their own. Into one on now for enshiem boom ani. Na mushie booma ena mubehunu nefe. Black is the brightest color. Train was say drink it in Guinness. Black shines brightest. Ebusia and then I found home but don't Guinness cool your house since you drink responsibly. Send me kind. When if you do what you don't bang it. Annie Samsona ma fe fro so monka ho sa dwumedie Annie nkratui FDA for hwema jatum se nti wo no ma wonim say yes it's authentic. Ebusia afi yen call back to your business and then no mene be papa no mienu ene betwetwe enkomo baako eba na nyamesem a wakwada rewomo ena baako so eba na awaresem is a relationship counseling obi ka che me say na obi ka me say itima you don't have a problem because se counselor do folimu na oni omo grow then itima you have a perfect relationship. Hey Radi, who counsels the counselor? It is you. A hono ni asem no what you say nen asem ye kan say you come man of the house as you say wine po ene se fata se yetumi de sa baso body who say abaso body wine ene deserve who qualifies what I say you can be a man of the house why not qualify me ba Jaden it's me being an kind say mommy don't you know I'm the man of the house and the me who say oh no na man of the house first me tia say ane me kwame ntimi ntina ha India say me ho abobo yinti enna eya me ne counselor Adom Adofoli say na mu nyina mu nim say eba no relationship our vie any bibia counseling there counselor edimo akotene sanso so and a Reverend Jedediah Henry Corey onu ni din ye bo awu hu tise ye ka se fire oja akoye se wako secondary school akoye nickname o papa ba school so obehwehwe no obo nickname obo udi obi say eh na wa na Jedediah eh minim no ni e ka se fire oja say eh mi be wa che se wa ha me 85 oja and counselor Adofoli me mama kwaba e by your Bo Nkommo so amen. I'll send a poem moto happy birthday.
Hey, you better
in advance.
Now also birthday near that
17 September.
17 September.
Or the feedback the whole Ghana him says Friday na made it 34. Me family age.
Wow. Now more for pa. Friday we have a new birthday no.
And I said okay. My offended say obeso che se menyi o yo
David yo just one fair so who fear the bro I mean one offended I don't know how I call fire party because we na you
multimedia here
and I come back because so
anopa ko be say about how much
yeah not for near and yes sign yes
so we obi hu amanisa than in advance to me anyway your mama kwa pa
that was super
okay auntie fire me sha se e wo so you cast a man of the house.
So the man counselor because now I'm on show. Maybe no more 20 farmer counselor now
okay, and a message here or counselor. So counselor, you can be a man of the house and why not qualify for that position?
All right, me down.
So I mean, Chawano, na me kai mo say you were live. I was on Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM. And today me penny say we be share. Am I we be share to a friend. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Say ya ji akonya ye day. Ye be di juma ne fe counselor. Ma wa no koma.
Me down see tie for nyina so. Ye ka man of the house. Ye ka abusia tree. Abusia bia no e free aware. That's how nyankobo ye no. And then I say between Obama and your Oba, and the cast the man of the house, na your Obama now.
No, cast man,
a car man of the house, a car bushia, if ye tree, and I'll be a udimo, and then because our real and a give birth to Abushia, our real and a nyabushia, Ufa first our rear between Adam and Eve. And in the one ye are tre in that regard. Internet a flower rim nenya abusia. And he said, flower so I oba any bema. And the accustomed man of the house, a bearman, the man of the house. The accustomed woman of the house, a oban a woman of the house. Sometimes no idea is just change the when see. It be a accustomed man of the house, I'm of a kind in a place of authority. A tree, ne body in can was a tree a head without a body is a dead head. The same body without a head are dead. So you are working together. Head in a place of leadership, initiator, or a source, or a provider, or protector, and the additional swan on a soon, or leading a bushiano in a right direction. To be a because we the head of the house and as a man of the house now, and yet I take a responsibility also.
Okay.
To abusiano, or take a decision you don't take the decision obey your family. That's what you be in a concert. Over take the decision about omina. Again, we are the man of the house and answer the head now. Who provided more abusia. And Tinyesika, who provided sika, one of them, the only didn't ask when you just that ominium dear direction, input in your account. Tina a man with Briamuka Wariano, a head in pass or Benya Bema or Belly Dino, no Sabaman, Sebi, one team providing mano, or finding very insecure around that particular Bema. Again, when your Bema or person leading in the name of Mary, no Bema intimate protecting on one hand, they know using Eddie abusing on no bano, or feel it very, very uncomfortable. Why only Bema be now, one team money, dear, oh. My dear, and Taremi anyway, the end of me share befatame. No, so wow share, Tareben, the end of befatao. Saberman, woman direction or share. So here, Bema direction, wisdom of garden with knowledge. Saberman, I can wasam. Till man of the house, no, a total package by Dinahoma leadership. The old lady Abusiano in the right direction and the wrong direction. You the old Biom Abusiano. Only I would refuse no be a Johnny. That's not the man we are talking about. There are no say make us so bianca be. And you neka. Yaka wari be bro, you remember be a person say, oh, mina mere bema with you, mina mere bema with you, or be an so warrior bema, or baby and so warrior bema. We start to kasi mina mere bema, never say, oh, yaka be busy.
I say, Elisa will bema, no fatu or so.
Or be an imitator, or be best, you have me boss, mina boss, will lose control already. I say, so Obia, what takas and no any control. We're losing control.
Wow.
As you said, ni subani be our yen, and my Felici, when yet the boss and also when yet the head and a leader and position, when you hope you, until a person was stamping the authority by saying it, which is supposed to be winning now, we yen cacano, enough. So now we raise you man cacano, bet I say, hey, we know a bear man. So now we lead you, you know, HRS, we know a bear man. To wear a bear man, we need a trenyo casa. Keke see me ba na me nam se me kita tate me na me okunu no wonu se me na me ware wo me na me kotiri sika ware wo me na wo fie ha decision bi age uni ye no sa kasa na be Chelsea wa lose control of that enti be ma no in a whole sense no we are source we are leader we are provider we protect abusia no so we lead the family in the right direction on kati abusia ne off on face me nkwana me nyanso we fie ho da bi decision bi ho be take crop ma busiafo nyina betena se ne adin nkomo o yire e right man o right hand we you free ma unya be ma bi in that house in the name of marriage because be man nko a enya aware oba nko anya aware aware between husband and wife the man in that house now is the man in that marriage. And so ye bibia a silent is wife no kwanye recognize and ani hu nfa so anasi onuko ntina wa yire mu a then wo ye wo ho because you are not taking the marriage to the right direction. So in a nutshell that is the man of the house.
Hey, any semi annual counselor. Answer na meko fire so no na me pese me san abusa biem say e den na betumi aba ama bema elusi sa value na or family mo no e den na betumi esi
ti me wo wo so and say bema no first your cast is be providing bema no ntimi providing man
bema woni ska no woni value ana
and yes niska e ka provide na nyeska ka enti na say we adwuma Adam we ware no e adwuma
nti obi wo ho a enye ne inform so say wonye adwuma wo adwuma no wonye bi obi wo ho a wa lose adwuma wa lose job but onam tintina wa pese obi ba employ no e bi kro wo skills wo talent wo betima bibi you see fine means I would be no kra ni ho because wo skill kra you need money to start a business.
True say you need money. Sometimes kra be me here kra be volunteer ma obi na so be djuma ma obi ama na ma obi kra you do it. Or responsibility a untena ho entrance man na be free heaven about. Okay. You are always on the go looking for ways and means. A
lot of avenues.
Avenue be taking care of your family. Now lose your job and just you have lost your place in the house. I'm for remember before I will lose my duma. So I feeling now feelings mean me coba and the money defense me a bear man to my loser dumana or Phyllis be a mere embumi bio. If you're going to be embumi bio. And to know it even goes around. We've a man can frustration, a bath will be around. We need supposed to be so. We'll lose a dumana busiani with one or share, one or coba, one or homaya. They pray for you, they support you, I may encourage you. And to know my own lose you place. So you need to provide for your family. And yes, kasem keke. Nyansem direction. Diemu o take decision a obemusi decision obe take na be boa busiamu nyina. You do that. Again protection. Nyema bi a obeye a emfa wo abusia into danger. Yenye bi. You remember be bro ma ware na I say you're a man of the house. So I want to try be a more den abonten.
And so was why a man of the
house.
Yes.
You love the place in the house. If you are doing that, in a sense, say, protect you abusian emotionally crying, dear, we did from no, one need to that anger. I just call or Bible is super in our really say, or better sin kunu, and you will be and now, or better sin kunu, and you will be a wabonting. A dear be a scale which may be a dire cry, a nightmare, one person better second of Diano. Well, unfortunately, we see men doing that. Again, BBS women or Banbanya Casachena, no use strength for no so oh bono, oh tretino. It doesn't make you the man of the house. We're holding is supposed to protect if you hono until be our sana overlosing that space in that house. Again, because the man of the house who is there to lead the family positively. Say in terms of religion and as tradition and as nyamisumu kura uno leading crop for abusiano to that direction. School call obibe two kind major decision over lead those kind of conversation. Actually, near better my abusiamu nyinano, you take that decision. Again, you are initiator, initiating yaman. You may be a among from whom because they are not the leader there. Oh, leader, you see a lot of things about abusiano initiating, but unfortunately, you know why they are not even in that place to even initiate. Okay. So, as a leader, nobody lead the family. So, if you are not doing it and you are still married, now we say, I am the man of the house, I'm man of the house, one lose who control that.
Anyways, Meda was say, Meko fire Ojaso. Fire.
Mame.
Besa do dieba. Yakaso be a biasbema yetri. Fine, we all know, but then nebema yakase. Beme wo yetri ampa. Wo ye bema e wo feel man of the house.
Meda say, Uncle Ponchro Bibia. The Americans a bema bia ye bema will be unfriend to nitrim. Nanko Pombo Adamno or 20 man. Emla won fa wo ba bianca no patroti point na ma wadwe mla pa nya sam do birthday ni be wuram bema bia ye belema bema bia ye belema so fala say ya bo belema de wo ye de kra ye belema
no matter what
obia because
na say nsem egisi wo wi asiri bema to me oba o enye easy wo de ye nko
yes bema bia ye belema be ye ka fie belema enu ye different
okay
but bema bia untimi ko cancel or bema bi on hwe fie se onya bema and obi amfento ni tri because onya
no abonten ko a
ye bema Genesis 1:26 na ye more if ben yankopon fa obanka ifu ben yankopon frɛ na man into a bema but so ba be ye efie belema na te se wo ye obi a wo ye mfie efia sese ye wo ye responsible ma wo hwe fie ye so what ya say enu ye different because sabi se wo kun hwe fie ntimi ka so onye bema na ka se kwa te se onye bema te se abia onya ne niema ye wo fie ho. Yes, ye boni kasakwa, so what ya say, but oye de kro ye bema, but answer na be man of the house no, not just who you be a, and she say be a dab bema ho, so di kwa wali mu, utimi ye ma were, ye ma we oba, ye ma ebi kura ka wase, ma ne ye fe, and no na ye dis di bia ne be dey, ba be to so no bia so, etumi e flow say, oh, papa yi on ne ye efie ni ti. Na etumi aboa so what ma dey make an asepa ye ti answer never from man of the house so won hihye bi a wo ye so won fla onya ye mfla ye be fla man now but ye mfa man of the house and
na counselor e ka say
yes
me man na wo mu nye fie djuma mu no mo pre say ye mfra mo man of the house No, I said like Obia or no, I didn't on yet into any Sapphire shell own him send me oba papa.
Yes.
My fire who know who say, oh, what's my oba papa?
So one more bony beer, yet me from man of the match. Pacha what did they make an see ye?
Yeah.
Sabono, parking is when you know one mobi. I'm a wine yellow one never from man of the match. Ye man of the match. Our park so a mela wabo bono. Now I yard yasin will be ya. Tiabe from man of the house one. Yes, a ushefi. Emma born modern class on young member be. And Sanya did be not to sinti. Say ya one yasadi and ya house near fan count you from man pet. Inti the word man of the match. Unye chile. So we tifie ni abeflo so we man of the match ugina park no so wo bobo ni ye emobia wo so we yade enti wo kun ni wo ma wo busuafo na di said ni beflo nya wo kra na wo beflo ho so bia di tuni
tini oji tu mu se wo mo a wo mo nya hwe nko mo kra na predro
omo so ati ase enti nyo bi mpo na enya mpo na wo beflo ho wo kun na nkasa wo yire na nkasa be ka say belema good because the other bono answer never is a man of the match nyon never chole tako omum gine chile no and be hu ni modern born skills the way of pass ball no and your first and there Suleiman Tali was a man of the match near the amano net to me aboa sana again going to be tie ya one man no modi ofie no nyi skills papa one hwe ma tie ni ye one hwe ma one hwe yire ebi kan asenom Wama nyansansam nim di sem kofi omo good na man of the house na metos na sa da wo ye man nko house na dey fire with the major influence
ne fire mesa ba so na yenya hoho bi ye wo ye studio ha say Guinness for chese ndem abo ma ba so sa omo si omo won komo bi omo ye bedi kakra bi oje omo ye aboafo omo so ya sene esa boye chido ma ye tumi di dwumedi ebe wo fe Ain't able to end them me Guinness for our studio. Now I was shama for cake and comes in birthday na 2 days. I got 3 days Okay, black shines brightest. Okay, I'm a black woman, so you know.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So you're gonna sit in our black now. So everything about you is black. Your watch is black. Your shades is black.
Black shade.
And then my family knows Maxima on Emboswe. And not say a black. Okay, so this is for me and my producer, or it's for who?
No, this is for you.
It's for me. What's inside?
A special invite for our event.
Oh my God! 20th of September.
Yes. What's that? The following day.
Can I open?
So unbox it for us.
Okay, we see for live on my show. You can watch me on our Facebook page. Are you taking it? Yeah. Oh goodness, I am going to be there. Oh my God! Invitation. Okay. So invitation 20th September 2021 to the Polo Court.
Yes.
I'm gonna be there. Yeah. So black is not dark, black is bright, black is bold, black is gold. Black is everything. Our thing, your thing, my thing mixed together. Black shines brightest. Thank you, Guinness. What's this? Okay, is that what I'm wearing to the place? And as a mom, I'm in Royal Couture.
No, we're here for.
This one I wear it in the house.
Yeah,
okay.
This is your customized.
My customized Guinness. Okay. Okay, I'll give this to Shine. Shine, yeah. Oh my God! Me the best see me them 10 years cry every day. I'll tell my kids, see Guinness Book of Records. Thank you, Guinness. Oh, I have a glass too. Oh my God, what's this?
Yeah,
it's a band. Oh, Guinness, you guys are great. I'll use this for my car. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Guinness say drove me my Mr. First emoji drugstore. Is that not true? Okay, so black shine is the brightest. I'm so excited. I hope I'm gonna get this video so I can post it. Tima customized. Today I'm on Guinness. Yeah, I'm on Guinness. Thank you so much.
So hopefully we'll see.
I want you to talk in there. I want to talk to you and the mic. Yeah, just a minute.
Oh, okay.
What you guys are doing while I'm coming there. So maybe I'm Misha Bulletproof. Wherever it is, let me know. Thank you so much, Guinness. Hey. Simni. Okay, so this is a tree platform.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Me whole box needs my bro for seminar better. Fan check me why. This guy looks like a musician.
I'm a dancer.
No, a dancer. Sorry, I saw you in a video, Stone Boy's video. Okay, I like you so much. I like the way you dance. Hey, you are my crush. We take a picture.
I got you.
Okay, thanks to Guinness. Guinness, Daddy, what's your name? Hey, me who no mean to be in cat bro chini bio.
But your family, Rolando Furi.
Okay, Roland. Okay, me pacho enyumbre. Mo beche me beautiful package.
Okay. And you buy incredible bonnet.
Okay.
I'm say Guinness. I'm brand be the new campaign, but I think the recent one before this new campaign, a friend made of black.
Made of black.
Okay, and Shatawale, and Reggie,
yeah.
We did a couple of campaigns together.
Yeah.
Now this time around, you know, Guinness and Gasa has been around for about 260 years.
Hey. And you chime in and cry.
Yes,
awesome.
You never
connect that so.
I think it is because time we are Guinness, I find a way of celebrating Myanmar a war impact more consumers. Until that time, we are generation after generation. Almost support to Guinness, you know. This year, you say you be celebrating young Africans. Omaku Kudro, Adom Nkommo, so say musicians, some dancers, say craft artists, whatever. Until across the African continent, and you select people who can collaborate with across the market. Nigeria say in Fireboy. Ghana
DMO.
Yeah, Fireboy DMO. Ghana has selected incredible Ziggy.
Oh, he's so amazing.
Yeah,
he can dance.
Yeah,
oh my God, he has to teach me how to dance.
Yes, so
oh my God.
okay. And there are a series of activities. Or dance challenge there. Shall say wiki be very, very, very fantastic prizes.
Okay. Say it to me, Sabia.
Yes, and we're creating simple dance.
Pacha can be cast a man in your din. There's a year numbino. Ye to me, please, I beg.
Which answer? What will you do?
Okay. I see.
Until we on all our platforms. Now, once why you there?
Okay, now I was saying.
Now what tag?
Pachamuni hashtag be a money
hashtag Black
Shines Bright. Okay.
And make sure so tag Incredible
Ziggy, of course.
At Guinness Ghana.
At Guinness Ghana.
You share Sunday near or iPhones or.
Hey, but your iPhone 13 Nibiana.
Or headphone.
But your 13 Nana.
I said 13 number. And
you did a mess up.
Your Beats by Dre, your sneakers.
Oh wow.
Nina like authentic, ain't
wow.
The whole dance experience, you know.
Vibing.
I vibe, you know.
Oh wow, Pasha started a bang.
Ziggy.
Ziggy. This week.
Yeah.
And Tuesday. Yes. Okay. It's Wednesday or Yashasi. My eyes are on your page. I follow you anyways. Into my eyes no ever page no so. Flashmore.
On the 16th of this month.
Okay.
Yes, into I'll urge you so Brian the best Brian sir.
Pacha where he?
Akramo.
Okay.
Yeah, 11 a.m.
Okay.
So I'm back radio Brian sir.
Meba pa is as I exercise. Me so tea the or be corner me incredible sana me so more to keep up in shape.
The fans pampo was someone who said that other side of you.
I know we have to Meba. Pacha we are Mr. I need your number so that you be hook it up more because if I say Mesa no be able say me science. Ziggy has to teach me. So thank you, Guinness. Right, and on the 20th, no more on Veli BB.
Yeah, on the 20th, we are bringing all the creatives under one roof. So your favorite musicians, your poet, fashion, dance. But because of COVID-19, strictly by invitation. But you can join us online. You're there live streaming. And then you get the opportunity to interact with all the celebrities. And they'll be giving away all kinds of giveaways.
And it's a bit virtual for people that are not invited.
Yes, yes. But you can win a lot of prizes as well. So join us and let us all have fun.
Na ya bani de enya prizes ana.
Oh no, I want to cry. There's a lot of prizes. Fashion police bell. There's a lot of things. Like by the time if you're not like wow, because wow, where they will be there.
20th September. It's a Monday.
Yeah, Monday. I did change holiday.
Oh my God! I am there.
Yeah.
I am there. I'm already there. What time?
Yeah. Yeah. She said Guinness time 17:59.
17:59.
Which means
I'll be there.
6 o'clock. You should be there.
Me. Should I bring my invitation?
Oh,
and I'm a walking invitation.
No, what they?
Before me Guinness bottle, and
they keep moving.
Me bottle me they share glass more. Sure.
Yes.
God bless you. You guys are doing amazing. Ever since I was born, me tea Guinness, me tea atom. Me mama say first name Mojedro. Today, please let me know whether my mother was lying to me because I say at our drugstore tea or ubu 2 cups. Hey, mommy. I turn back what you mean. I just wanted to know. Oh, is it true sending it to our drugstore?
Oh, theories. But yeah, marketing Guinness say Drew.
No, yes, it's in a to our drugstore.
Microphone and no. But in the authentic drink.
Yeah, authentic. Black is brightest. Black shines brightest. And busa for I mean social media for busa. Send ye me boss kind or say wow way your invitation no. Virtual. I'm sure say be available on Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere. Not much. I think official Guinness Mo page and
at Guinness Ghana.
At Guinness Ghana. Okay, all right. And I think someone will follow Incredible Ziggy. So he'll be sharing updates.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, Intino will take it from there.
Sure.
Nyami Shamo Pa. I have some Kamaziki Saba Kuma because we would ask say, ish. Now they be as well as red now, no show. Patcho Moon painting with black because we're black, white.
Black and your color is.
I know, yes. So red is the new black, I know. So thank you guys so much. Thank you too. I'll be there.
All right.
Incredible, you be shower Hoati. 20th. Patcho birthday Friday.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. I'll be 34. I don't hide my age.
Wow. And I want to
me that say, hey, menu. Okay, darlings, we'll talk.
All right.
Okay, bye. Okay, Busia, forget this for the baby catcher here. I'm my gym invitation on the 20th of September. No, dear Mensu, you made your moody meko, Namako Dibi, Anne. Now me come back to business. Answer na maybe a phone lines and Abibiano. Counselor,
Madam.
Ketchen de ye, I said, well, send me my counselor, Kojabi Wuza. Anyways, now, the America, and it's a Damasi. I mean, counselor, we are in sponsor. I mean, one of our biggest sponsors, into almost supporting, into some way, BBIMCA day, supporting more. The counselor, yeah, no, me say no, me no monsa. But minim say Guinness is good for BBA na shine me boy. It's for the man of the house. Shine. Ube steady what say JD na man of the house. It's when me dey kwako see Adom. Aha. And me fa ma oda ti magu no saga. It's counselor before
the Guinness for us.
Oh yes,
the Guinness for us. Which will support a good educative program. Say,
thank you.
Yes, ever appeal to the audience who on patronize on product.
Yes.
Continue supporting the program.
Of course. Nyami, Guinness for. Ain't you come back to business? Guinness is man of the house. So, shy me from out and Pachmanisia. Dabi, and then me did 12 shows. So I've been bonny about him. Before I said, hey, counselor, yes, almost your mafia. But counselor came here like
last week, right?
Last week, I said, counselor came here, somewhere. Anyways, before I maybe say be a phone lines, but before maybe a phone lines, me person still me busa counselor and send sim and sana ya to us. So fire ojawe he me here no waha. Okay, so counselor, a man, won't boo or power in it. How would you even your friend say obe tagis nipano as man of a house and ebiana first of all make us ebiana na yere no so news any so but sometimes em ba no yes ye ka ho bi me yi me hu film because me your bani be sometimes e bia ni suban bia ye na bema no so behave in another way. It is counselor say bibi sa no ye be fa the same kwan be so na obetimi afa e dia so due be ba either relationship or marriage anymore.
Me da see relationship na me kan say ejina nipa mienu no so afa mienu so obani be ma no so nti say bia who is baby idea the first person be ma wan see who is baby idea your partner. Okay. Say obema ni was baby man go here ni partner the first person what him recognize nyema bi enko ye because affect your relationship no say na what sitting at here obana so is baby idea obema no first person who what me dictate say oh we be assess your relationship no. Many a time the mechanism sometimes ye nya kasa kire ye fa akwan paso my partner who see nyema bi omoye no affect in the wrong way na ma say bi about relationship no. Tis sometimes I feel see oh attack me oh criticize me tinipa kunum ade a wrong as so correct no defending wrong no emboa and he say man of the house no man now person be the head of the house and already the head of the house no we be pia we ninje ho a asase wotimi ka watenka kire wo se na wonhu no ka kire no say ade a we ye no me feel say ana se na affect me e ma ninje e ma me feel bad. But men can the way be attack no. One man kwenya man who see nyema bi o ye na wo face wo ya de pa no at the end of the day e koso obi a openasem obi a qualified to be that man of the house no. No what masesa. So when you need nkomo ne ensese abom a where abusia bia no ye nipa bi o ha ferry for amutimi etenase eni di nkomo. Yes so na masfa aban modern way bibia ni obetima call for counseling. Professional one not much my resolve. And so be a man of the house, nature see or fuma yentimin correct no, and yentimin pointy and channel. But pointy at channel, money who sena I fed to any relationship no, one can be a bit my faso as a son. So on here more be in that regard, so I know what this one man or sister one what me I appreciate it, sister or the ba, then we can get back. But mon kwanya say empini ndc for they be a museum as example never say you no struggle no be person where the best person or person where right or be wrong yes ana be man no do be no cry say me na me be man no nya wo no ye be man no person will take over the everything in the house but that's not the case here. And to say we been ko year our real social relationship as well o ye right so we betima point your partner mane hu se na affect relationship ka kire no se na mutie azanyema asesa na wo hu sinsisa bi aba aha na ma hu bebia mo ko nti musisa nyema ebetima akoyi ama na matima afa yi atu yi na nko ka abusia mu ni nyina ni ebi nkore o mukura na anko affect nkora no ebi o kana isuro hu aba ne enya ware a ye ko ware ne isuro si enko ware kro bio ya wari so na obi so esuro because the AC ntinu wan hwe ya I mean divorce and I mean separation I mean come pe obi na mini nimbo embra continue for our life because baby I kon there anu odi.
Okay nti counselor meka se obema nisika ni ego no me funny say you see mema bema sometimes no bema woni sika no wontimi show ni ego.
Ska idea bia Jessica Bema no give an provider o sene obema nyakopa bo emi no kra o take even our genital share mema no o see greater portion of genital air out and man greater portion air in see the mam no ma receive
wow
you see her and so Bema bia even cross so on to mean get the wife pregnant son of frustration come enye easy when be a or she say what you be about busiemu I want to mention a busiana or go through a lot of frustration unfortunate for us no sometimes no yen kasama hu ni ekoso bibia ne ne de ahye yen fa ebi ya no de ensanom wo de ada fekubo anase or they are adapted to any drug and bibi fufro but so obey no hu see why down because if you are losing a jumana what you do for that person woman encouragement and no be faso so be ye no no bring it down ego ni mora o yesana wo be kuno and we pushing even outside the relationship when you attend movie be abrabom nsema SCC amount for the in form of craft. I said, there was a movie which happened, Tara Perry movie which became more popular. Nancy BBC, you know that movie where the lady helped a guy, became popular, and then the guy left her and went to marry somebody. If you acrimony. If you follow something like this, you realize that the lady
on any bread, time best to say. Or Beswabano.
No, but when we see at the end of the day, no, the man has some vision and purpose beyond or chasey, where mistakes being a past. But the aim was not.
And the results never came early.
Yes.
Moving in Michelle.
But at the end of the day, the woman was listening to other advices from people who were closer to her. It happened in many marriages, and you are done for the 2-4. No, maybe 2-4. But go bend the
beer, unya botria.
Oh, bend Pacuno needing Nkommo. Not me can, Nissu Chro, not in believing in that direction. You will make it. Or baffle from a question, no. One manisika. You only encourage the guy. And will be a quiet man. Say, oh, bet money on Crofako Dinkomo. A bay ye. That's what you do. One man says. The first day they met wasn't even of access. And to some encouragement and at Mrs. Sanyama Bebre. Bompa ma ukuno while losing job and anyama nko yema bompa ma encourage him. You should not be the first person to be compared to other people. Ya ka be ma also kan ho be. Koshenia obi di ma obi oye ne sana, you just lose the home. U pushing away and now say at the end of the day, no, or corner kwenye bia, it doesn't even want to come and share with you. In that regard, I say, oh, you do me go and our brain and our chairman, ye may be, as I say, Boaquaman, I will say, Aquamon, about Obi, I surface into one shaman. And ye encouraging the Americans in Memano, they should listen to their partner, baby, they don't listen to their partner. Be a cry when your position no kun in Nimanasi cabin in somewhere. Scan a chain yourself where to go. Ni assessor cotton now for first so near co. They didn't deal with Tiana Simbi or Becatcher. They don't take that kind of advice. A BD Oma consortium because of that behavior. A man of more life on baby like angels or so above because they have what we call instinct. Sometimes to me Felicity be call wrong. Now crown here, but no Philly out to me catcher or to point to down for now one share be betty mercy. Lady now we needing come what to make catch but sometimes you say, oh, we are the man in control. We know what we are doing. Me and me a man of the house. And say me and me cover. And sometimes we don't listen to our partner until one your partner where at the end of the day we will lose that place. We will lose that place in the house. Until the man of the house, the aim is about the marriage in our any family, our area, and if our and correct boom and the whole abusiano until you the man of the house and see you have that leadership role. You can't leadership role. Now and the man of the house, the leadership role. And you lose that leadership role now. You can't
lose your way.
You lead the house now, effectively.
Counselor Obi Busa say, Christian boy from Facebook or say, hello, me so sorry, say me Busa sa question way, but me bear my swa, a day na made to me a ye, a dear farm, a hammy pa. Yes.
She goes to the hospital.
Hey, no, you withdrew.
They talk to the doctors about it. Maybe I'm going to go and then they do any say be a defect be an BB sana says can be as I bet me advice you because almost coming body now maybe our
yes
a test all of a sudden a be a woofy see one call hospital obenya no do no one starting no concussion as if for one show be credit and so money be ever bro at the end of the day. Just be sure near no the own no more na to know you are doing the right thing. So I will say we will call hospital. Only we didn't come. A massive be home. I'm a gynecologist. Only we didn't come.
Oh yeah, but wait, the answer no shake a crowd because. And we'll be so on fancy mokum. Everyone was yeah, me growth way. Me wow. Oh, busy over Goshaboko. Na say no, they say we plan who. Anna, I would say why. Okay. Hey, I'm really copa or send me and I miss beer phone lines, but hey, Reverend Jedi Daya Henry Okori.
Mommy.
Yo, ain't he my one call and family? Nami Busa counselor say. Obema, sometimes no. We be say Bema niska untumi enhuni subain. The only time I bet me who bear my subankasa a time I was called dinner. Because I know be on and no be treat you to send you subai. But bear my niska and your crama who brasede. Any day fanoqua. Oh, thou bed that 6 now. Hence in Pesame Bussa say, and mema mu ego no. Mu ego, so is a more ego kakra. Yes. Bema wo nisika ni ego no ye issue na.
Pacho one cancel my point say Bema with sika.
That be me yeah. Saying no, say saying ho. So person who Bema subaya.
Yeah, no current come have a board cancel about.
Any about my basso na me birthday.
Yeah, I want my boy basso. Sebi obia enye Bema pe obia oni bibiano Bible cracker said the nanfofo esha wonanfo kula fa no kula na ekechiwe be onye ni bia danfo so ana obi a wonni bi bia no kula no oye ni bi okona ho blase mu entoboase mu akrokro mu enti ope bema pa esuba hu a ye tama wanya bi eno de ade ba ko pa enya ntro tama yes tama woni bi kakla enti na Sabi
Tiano no hu ni de obeye bia ye ni suban no no ena bema bi wo woni sika na so onye sika otumi sesa ma wodwen ho a wonti ase
problem a wo ken sabrochire foti ya wa bo masem so bema ne te Ghana na wanya obi wa abrochire woni be kasa boko kasa wonyare no odwalo be ble ne wase ama wo ba no all right be so ba ne di sika ne boa no na wo koduru ama no ni wo bi no onya ne nkrata stase se wo ye dwuma ona Bebele faces our problem as some way, Sanka will be la to no mutia. Bebele be fracas as some way. No, must start son. Ampa and crap pa. I was under because I didn't know be at the end. No, when this cabby or the only be a chopper. The patch also say, what's the man? What did he want to say? So what I say, aha. And so will be. Now show what do party and not just a bearman or a bearman would do more some way because last week I make canvas all them. So pe bema pe suban pe hu kese pa de a say but enyom na na yet sa
because obi oso wonya ne sika wi nso still obu ne yere e ntete
yes obi owa wa yeye all right but odi nidie kese ne sa ne de e yesu a nyankopon de ball no enya ntete ye kola e yesu ankasa ti ni mu nyame de ball na ankasa
no so nyame so ma bibia enya we because bema bi onye ska si me wadan fo bi osetima me dey say me bon pa say me nyeska no ma wire for aka me yere mu
yes
na o ka so say sika na me ni o say sika na woni
bebele fra no mu su
o say sika na woni ko wire for
what the o kan nti wonya sika na e be basa ana bi su nyi o mu nya sika ni su nti no ana o mu ntimi treat ma
na sisa me o madam for ba bi su ka che me say o bon pa say ni kunu nyeska mbro so da na me say do say etima na sika kakra me kunu nya ye dia wo kire wo fie nti me bon pa say baby a eda no enna wa na enka me mom na nya me fast kan ma me more because me nya me nyesa na me say
madam for ba ma ba ko omo to party bi ye o say okoko kitaka nko be ko sesi akoje nyani bon kitaka ni ti wotena afie eye quiet nti wan ga be kasa wo ba ne be gin say ne kunu ye dai ku ana we calm but bibi ne ni ho nti ana won ko party won ko yeso won ko yeso
what you say mba bi bon pa yeso mu kunu ni so mu nyiska
no kula pa be se asema wo kan what can some see abrochire for man bi asem so if you Ghana akola bi wo mu sa obi oni ni kun bless ni kun nya sika kakla pe
ho no be hu se wo kra wo certificate no so diploma nya degree afi no be hu se wo kra wo ye tuntum dodo
tientu man so for so oni be ma bi start free zero na wanya bi no ogusu dowa oye bema papa
erade
oye bema papa ntiti ma odi ene tena no oye bema papa
mi ni bi
ma bo wasam ne so
misra wo en bema mi bi by force na mi ni bi
eti e repeat
me hwa nyame ani
woni obi sabla base na woni bi enna ogusu nya bi ti ye na Ghana yesikafo ase omom gusu ni omo yele te asumdiem nyankopon hira omo pa
ba cho bebre so ni omo yele te so enya asumdiem
nti na make so omom ni omo yele te asumdiem nti omom ni omo yele te asumdiem yesra mo sade na wote ne te sa because sika se sandipa but sika ne se sawa maybe so se sawa yere na mu nko the same level na emwa wo hia obi so na ne nsam wo bi na wɔkyerɛ wɔ dɔ agusu dɔ ne paa wɔyɛ bɛrima papa wɔhyia wɔ bi nso na wo sɛ wɔni bi wɔdedadeda fam wɔkorɔkorɔ wa ɛmfa no nkyerɛ sɛ wokɔ akɔware tɔɔbo ase kakla na hwɛ ne yie sɛ ɛyɛ suban ne deɛ nyame de abɔ no papa ne bi anaasɛ wɔne bi nti a wɔde bɛpia bɔnten akɔ pub akɔgye di asa wɔda wɔ nkyɛn da bia ne nti kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ bɛrima papa afutuo wei ɛbɛboa wɔ man nam de sɔ fa ya wogya obia ntie ne yie na mua no sɛ bɛrima bi abrɛ ne ho ase wɔ siw nneɛma ɔyɛ biribi a ɛmfa ho nkyerɛ sɛ wokɔware tɔɔbo ase ebia wɔni bi nti ana wo na wo boa no especially man no mo boa mɛma no mɛma no yɛ ɛba from kla wa bɛka sɛ wɔyɛ angel a ɛnhwɛ wɔtena nkoma no ɔwale wa wawie bɛbɛma no timi nya sika drum pɛmpɛn so bi a na wɔ sesa anasɛ wɔ dane nti afutu we deɛ ɔpanam sɛ cancer na this appointment ka me bɔ na ba so pa amana ayɛ yenti pacho deɛ wote wɔn ne deɛ fa ne sa wɔyɛ ade
yeah semo ensem na etwa mu sɛ cars we say information ɛwɔ wiase enyema no ɛdɔso sometimes because so relationship mu ayɛ mpaibo entumi nka sɛ obi deɛ fetching wo deɛ ɛyɛ adwuma na abɛyɛ. And I counselor me, boy, see relationship. Juma, if you are not ready, don't even go there.
Bia, we are some hey, Juma. Hey, who did you cry, Juma? That just say Juma. Bia, Juma, you know.
We are lazy, dear.
The whole relationship, no issue. Juma, keke. By you, a year or no, any frustration, any buffo, no show, want to refuse see Juma. To office me, Yanni Pafufra, a bit easier, mammy.
Okay. Mate. 80 Adom pass when you're demanding maybe a phone lines no. Me were a lot of messages and so ha. Me kind of say we're live. We're in Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM. Na okay, Lipsy Queen Stella say Emma mama ye ni na hose aboa wo. Na mema ni bi wo hɔ a ye hu mu ye. Isaac Chumesi was saying, "Me share live from Israel, Tel Aviv. Topic we dey a nice pa. Na nyame emboa mu nyina." Gideon Kwesi Hosu alphabet was say, "Me chia me dear lovely father, Mr. Stephen Kwabna Hosu." Na was say ayende de se wone ne papa Adom. Na why head of the family? No what done mame? No me to me nya good family. No to me wenyi no abeye be ma papa nti nyame hia ne papa anaju was a topic na am motivating papa payi. Miss me ene miss me chia me papa wa Mr. Felix Choir boy daddy. Unim se me do. So why are there any wonim dia wo de there wo de tete yen. Makai kings ana wo de hwe. But ni nyina e yodo. Dabi o ya twe waso a wonyi ana otinyama biase ni eye wuye ba na won say first ni ebo obeka say o pere o tan wa ma say aha sa na tie wonyi ana abeti ase Gideon Kwesi also say anaju de mehwa mo live ewo soga kope o say end topic ni de oni hwe o de oni ensam bebre o beka won de obeka ne say Obema biano so will try so be the man of the house. Now we treat wo yere ne womba so ye. Now we treat omu ye a ade man of the house no title no mo ana de be manya wo e na de be ma wo. I think some ne ya adwene. Yes. Pacho we was na ade ni so wasan be busa bio. Christian boy pacho o se mo ye hu be fa se obebo mpa na aman na emu atwe o se ne be ma so nti no monye bibi wonye den. Wow. Inti shine so when him herbal doctor bia bukwa edro na one no ma cancer so onko gynecologist so
hospital
hospital
yes say dey defect bi obi a e be na
cancer so onko ni scan ni body ni
o ya no hwe enye
inti na osofo so see obebusa Holy Spirit shine so
bia no fit so but we come hospital na bia na normal size no bia no o compare ema o compare to na nanfofo bia na obi ka se na tie nti na adwemu smedian ti se obedient ni enti sa
bia oba na oni wo ho no so no ebia na ena mi ken say me cousin bi no so okofa girl bi na girl ni say na ade ni so se da bia wo so de ne so ena enkomiti ye nyina ayenko ye ehu edu girl ni jaalo si wa do Hey, ana obwa.
No.
So we see a so e bia wo so there because me hia nkofo mo so say
omo man pressure. Obi timi ba me no abeka the same thing. Ade no kitu bia ni mu. Nyame na ye enti me sesa ne.
Sometimes near expose ye hu amano no bia first we see oba we see so fufuro no ye okohia ne no etimba. I feel ko say bia.
I feel ko share pen na. Matching sticks and I say kebab sticks now quite a problem because we timber no na twetwe ma one na be match hey sister wo kwan twa enye easy na Maria may I say greetings to Tima and me counselor and me prophet yes condemn Samuel say Adom 106.3 I was set and me ma hwesa program we en ne pa and then me pese me ma be frame me more who say your topic bi na say nkoma me ma na mba nko an ne free and ye de nkoma mba so me ma yenyo ye nyina ye free wa dey support ye ho ye sremo na na show be o se me chia mu nyina enwumre Shadraka Boade o se me pepa program nyame enhwa mo Humble Kingdom o se me tie mo live o Winneba Adom no size. Lauren Shanya cause our one and only grandpa one. One a grandpa. Okay. Gideon Abuajo say me share my life from Debiasem. Greetings by Nana Eje. Na nyamiche kwa mwa golden or say I love these two men raw for say Councillor Dofoli is too much. Samson and Reverend Jedediah. Fire. Ono so too much. Tonight you're blessed. Oh, me blessed pa. Omo to cake. Hey. Omo beto cake. I'm the birthday cakes are on. Yes, the cakes. Gladys Night at us. Good evening. Mitiemo live from Teshinunga. Fantastic program. Me that was a papa. Na ebusia. Me be a phone lines na dia ye. Me were just 10 minutes to go. 03022165661 03022165662 03022165661 03022165662 Mon frère na nia wo so wo edeka ho wo experiences bi ni ade a eno so beda ne di shine patch from pen ma me why wi ase aye hu fa me pen bre me Guinness box okay enti abusia me bie me phone lines no pepepe na metiemo or fell so what I say 03022165661 03022165662 Hello. Hi darling.
I'm
Me Pacho, good evening.
Hi.
Odo. Wo kasa free he? Boju ase okay odo kasa mitio.
Asem no correct. Because me mama omo do bad riches it means me my one to attend to attend them so external or teaching mama you're making this because of that papa enemy to me stuff oh yeah
Odo you asa wo line in your crowd.
Me pacho me say.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, dear. Pacho with Dini baby Alfrefi.
Me pacho be bin timidi dem be this.
Oh, no problem. Odo kasamiti opa.
The tiene say. Ade no e wo memu wo mememu o. Senior memma. Edi. Senior memma ni bi suban sitie so mu ni sika na omo brom ho aso. Emma no. E wo the same tie memu susa, emma ni bi su omo su ni bi na so mbe sia be ma na so be ma na su obia. Omo so brom ho aso sa ma be ma ne boa no. Be ma no so boa no no su je be bi kina. Afi na so be re oba no su ni sudan. Nti e wo memu wo memem.
Ba se mema mo de ne na ye mo na me boa.
Ma, se ye kandi ye se me a me kase se tie. Se me so me kamedie pa.
Cow dear, one board into cow dear. Some me sure by now cow the handkerchief for soft phone said a bear. And so their cow dear.
This is my boy Bapa Naomi. So some of you Suban on the sea. My son in more when your baby and on your baby dinner years. A whole other term of rare color. Or Faha, Okatan said, ye, Yanyanisa, Yanyan is here. A whole other bachelor of the war tape.
I say, I know what ye, Juma.
So, when it's come, my boy, I'm when your baby again.
Na me say oye den.
Ejuma me Canadian, e kan obi abi.
Ah okay, abaye ejuma na wono an ejuma na obi ejuma no. Ah wono an ejuma. Oh okay, na wo na oboa no. Ah. Na sisi a why successful.
Yes. And sisi.
Na we jawa na.
Ai, me no won kola bi ni west.
Ah we jawo.
Ah ye jai.
Then na we ya wo jawo.
Mun sem de bibiri e me masem.
O de mem onu na eye mem asem na wo.
Onu? Me be ma fra me nye me masem, onu oba na eye me masem. Enti oba di onu ewo mu different, mama fen hye me ma nko a. Suba na ekura ma na di su kura me ma the same thing.
I see. Ye be hwe na aka ho asem.
Enti
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
I thought Mr. Captain to me. Lady Michael.
Michael, my intio.
Ja, master we just accepted. Na mean the China name. I'm mom no we are afraid to and about papa. For lockdown, but me no Kalani. Na in Brava. Before my number one papa no why they were I do to go. I'll be all papa. And see, I know your pastor penny or and see a question for Mama. And you know why you want.
I saw a few radio no home why and I said low no kakra. Because mommy wait do know. And mommy feedback. Okay, Kasa.
Okay, Papa, you love the number one brand is what in the furnace on board. Me quite not to be funny in Babana to know how that I might say the boy. Again, you call it wife and your mommy in a coy. Now, you're going to tap over home. You know, quite no fun as a phone said like one minute here. Lemon or your fine. Master will not sit there calling young Colonel. And I'm going to be master with you. If you name my sister, Baba paid to my head. I'm a mamma. If you plan a couple of months, fine, and you buy. Your mammy soon papa died. You think mammy when or in Brian was pass and job. I have servants of God, after any bar. Now you buy no money, you see me from living black. And I'm so sad. Said all your men. The firm plan about money. Next time, no, or say you want. Now, Obama, but you're certain to me, no cafe. Your brother from that didn't get on the mask you wanted your own bra. Your mask to for him is for an umbrella. Papa, you think that I will not be the old papa, meeting the doubt. Maybe I catch an again. It was so sad to see the day and what he did. Friend Babana is in the shop. I must so having so much year brown. But the member found this may back and leave home from England. He says, man, said, not 2 months here. And I'm disappointed and bought one on two of your money. You see, go also cut about a month in my city for 4,000 bucks like this. And I'm the enemy. Then I don't know about you. I see an academic. Yenny and cook, I can never dedicate any of that. Watch him about that. The really so that I didn't go ahead and you buy no man now because in a Casantino, and I don't mean that addiction from the Brown of money. And now, when a friend is not in or this answer back on myself. Mantina for my bank. The ban must be still a hand of money. But you be not feel also the money banner brand of Obama required. Actually, I've seen it. You flip a pan of money for one being blah. That's it. You are required. You really just feel the fear. Must only not fear no change. I said, who the money? I feel the you me friend of the so me can't buy my money. I say, oh, because one did Baba. Say the walls, but the night no about. I done to my duty. To see no the money you'll give to one. Now say any brand made a new planner or fun code you. After do a credit stuff and you look at it. The year no best and no man, Obama no mother. Fine, I will send him by it. Just say, "Dear, my country, I'm just away. You need to be friend of Qua. Just one person, see us some of the master of Qua. I mean, we see a banner. Masters one, in the answer, where they, Umamo Papu, and I'm friend over the movement of one say, Papa, your banner was saying, only one. I know no one about Bang the Momiano. A brand back. After the no idea or they out to be listening. My minuna, meaning it, my minister and I did not jump so at the only and I know past count in the idea, but Nanibano, oh my umbra, and yet I'm about to let you by everything. After the friend, your one and the different and the family, your friend, and not my phone, and not this one. Nobody know about money that I mean, I see for not that man. So, Papa, you see. Master, what can I tell you? And what? Okay, Mr.
Odo hello. Me say Councillor Johnny number ye see no kasa.
Hello.
Hello Timinka. Hello.
Me pacho bitin.
Odo me ube se ubodi ana yen kasa. Okay, memory naso. Come just 5 minutes. Me pick a final call. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, I'm in pacho me program.
Yeah,
that's. Me the assembly the chumuni in terms of
pacho kasa.
Babi now. Me now. Me sumpese me na wa. Imi buone to onye juma kakra. Na sambo boy. Nansu Bentia said that Papa and Mammy said, "See, like the young cool and a mouth work to catch and stay, and a bano and that Mambe and one idea, and she, like, I don't know, Bentia said, the Mamma, my papa, and so yesterday, me proban, to me him, me that."
Yes, that was saying, Team Pacho, Councillor Bijani number. Na ya wa friend na me sure ebusia baby adru the program e bebe wie ye we just 2 minutes next week e de ebe ye no so ye de betudwa ai ko phone sense ma e kire o madwene na o mo frɛ ai until next week e be mama konya na e bie phone lines and ensem de meti bi na counselor abanu abetum of until next week no we issue make sure say phone no wa charge ani na yetumi akasa counselor
well ya ka bebre omo awari asene be stress omo mani beko omo abusia ho because abusia na qualify to that position na wo enti se wo neglect wa abusia na wanya de so nipa nkwa ani sika enye the same sika o ne watina wetima lose watina wetima to japare na wetima lose ba japare kwa enye nipa tinipa is more important no baby awo bia no so oni wabusia ni start no ni hwe ne wonya bibia wo woni ekom ho ni oho our life answer wo be kase no main england neglecting crofo no se wo papa o mami o wafa o wabusia ni o ma wo yiri o obi a wo life mu a woni hwe na support wo o tena wo to the place a wo ye rich no misra wo ma woni ankom ho a wo be bofom until we pay no cost don't neglect that person. Now one relationship no more issues no more seeking for counseling. Counselors no onye police form kita handcuff form ni say I teaching kum etum counselors who call professional counseling on fan aware em toolful obi fan aware nipa bia different it's no issue one ton no adru a wonya no adru one ton yare wonya no adru enti mem fere say wodi wo issue be kwa bonte obenya enwo solution a wo beto eni so betina fie no mo prapra mo ho emboa.
Okay, me da se counselor na wo be ja wo number.
My number no most you friend ba your WhatsApp so betima send message and then yes I will be for it. Number is 0201 435300 meeting view 0201 435300.
Okay, counselor. You better was senior me insure Rev.
Mommy.
Final words.
There will be bias. Say my back no open answer no nti mama mfa man was say or baby decide no nti sana man ti man bi ti sa a man bi so ti sa nti wo koma now so why careful said your obeshe we invest ewo bema wana oba me na won sha okawa na wa show hu so ye kakla said your china bi na nkofa problem enya dey family wonti sa bema no so on cheche ne wure na mesene se ontoa nanamo no so ochina bi ebia enema betumi asesama no ntimafutu amde mo man Ghana ni na wo ye bema so a wa hwe wo fie ye ene chesa wo ye bema enye wo bema ne se wa bɔ matwo na wo ne nam kwan na wo bɔ nkɔfo asum se de councilor kan ya na mum no wo bema wani akɔ fie ene wo fie o yire ne wo ma ho na tumi aboa wo bia nyame sra God bless you.
Bless God you bless too you. Pacha wo number
me number ni me fa konya we so nyame Adom 20th ye program ye ne Apostle John Pra Pacho so wo be bia bomodian so be baby na de ni de so asole bia to me baby enya asole ba akopɛ enti friend number se CA na me no nkasa ne ma location 0243 Mpacho 02 number ne dos enti 0549 10 48 48 0549 10 48 48 usinungwa akosto also resofo fire with jampa bonus asole be a baby yani Apostle John Pierre PCS star or Wally Junior and ma mete makula so baby into obia you inviting a special happy birthday in advance to ma mete ma and yeah sign way Blani Antonio nyom ne man and yes I be Friday
program near that bell program
me program the Monday ya na esase Monday ya na esase program ni hu hia birthday ni so hu hia sign blind na one Antonio na man na e be ha no we advance birthday to you happy birthday to you.
In advance.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip. Madam Asepa, thank you so much for the love in advance. But I me send them birthday shine. Who the cake by and carry them guys. Ain't me damunina say Guinness for Nyami Shamo. And this beautiful package. I'm dear mammy Annie. Mube humoati. Black Shine is the brightest. Dr. Shine and me producer director Nyami Shrao. J. Cole. Rastaman as say. What Danny too much. Nyami Shrao. And I feel me two guests, Reverend Jedediah Henry Corey, and I feel come be for Counselor Apostle. Counselor Adom Adofuli. Anyway, we nya bre. Share me on Facebook. Nyami Shrao be bre. Wa will share. God richly bless you. Watching Nyami Adom. I be share Adom TV. But I had the dasene. Ye besa Asia. Into bon pie no wa kite. And so on pie boom na ifiada nyame dia